Alright, so question 3. We are building gradually, right? I'm sure you understand what we're doing. Cheers. Let's go. Number 3, simple. Solution, method 1. Right? Using method 1, we said, first of all, let u, or let any number you choose, let u equal to the index. And what's our index? Our index is 2x raised to the power 4 plus 6x. Right? And then we differentiate u with respect to 2x squared plus 6x. That's the index, right? That way we having replaced, we can now say du with respect to x, right, over dx will give us what? If we differentiate 2x raised to, okay, this is 4, sorry, 2x raised to the power 4, we will have 8x raised to the power 3, 8x raised to the power of 3 plus what? Plus 6. That will be differential, right? So this is the first thing we're going to do. Somebody want to ask, why are you always putting them in a box? I just like putting them, just for sake. Just put them in the box. So method 2. So let's get to our method 2, guys. Method 2. What comes in the method 2? Let's put the box now. We're just using 3 methods. Wow. How hilarious. So method 2 should be what? Tell me now, guys. We replace now, right? Method 2 can say y is equal to what? E raised to the power of u, because we are making u is already the index, right? And we differentiate our dy du becomes what? The same thing, e raised to the power of u. So we now know what our dy du is and what our du dx is. So 3. Right? I'm writing method instead of step. Don't mind me, guys. Please stroke this and put step. Step 1, method, and step 2. Right? Stroke that. So step 3. How do we use step 3? We use our formula. Use our formula. Right? Step 3, we know that our dy over dx is dy over du times du. Right? Yes, that's what it is. So what's our dy du? E raised to the power x. So our dy dx becomes e raised to the power of u, which is this, the value of that, times what? What's the u dx? 8x cubed plus 6. 8x raised to the power 3 plus 6. So let's rearrange. By arranging, we know that our answer dy over dx becomes what? 8x raised to the power 3 plus what? 6. Then e raised to the power of u. What's u? Value of u should be what? 2x to the power 4 plus 6x. 2x raised to the power 4 plus 6x. This is the answer to our question. That's that. It's very simple. Follow the steps. You know what to do. So let's look at the easier way, method 2. It's easy now. Just differentiate the function. If y is equal to e raised to the power 2x raised to the power 4 plus 6x, right, our dy over dx is easy. We differentiate this function, that will be what? 8x raised to the power 3 plus 6, and replace the whole everything, e raised to the power 2x4 plus 6. That's all. Very simple. That's all for exponential functions, right? But there are more to it, but we're just taking it step by step, right? So having understood this, having known what this is, I'm just happy today, right? Having known what this is, we'll get to the next questions. I'm sure you understand what to do. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share with your friends, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.